Hey. Hey, get your Sherp with the winch. We don't want Kevin to die here. Go, you got the winch, man. That's it. What's today?
Sherpaggedon.
What's up, guys? It's Colin here with Up North Outdoors and Sherp USA. Today we're going to be having the largest Sherp gathering in the history of the world. We're going to have about 30 Sherps out on the lake, busting through ice and open water where the Mississippi enters it. Probably going to have some guys driving downtown, maybe getting arrested. It's going to be crazy, and I'm going to try to film some. I'm also working, but I'm going to try to get footage, the best footage I can, to show you guys this just craziness. This is gonna be nuts. This is my humble abode. This is legal enough, I suppose. Holy crap. Mr. Osta,
Hey, how's it
walk
going?
right by.
Hey, buddy.
How you doing?
Good. How the old Sherp tires on the truck do? Pretty good.
It worked awesome. Did you watch?
I
the
didn't
video?
watch the whole thing. Sorry, man. I gotta come back and watch it.
Alright, I'm unsubscribing. You guys busting ice?
It's beautiful today, boys. Beautiful.
Just keep showing up. Hey, Gary. Hey,
How you doing, brother?
How you guys doing?
Good, how you doing?
Yeah, doing good.
Sherpaggedon, man.
Yeah, Sherpaggedon. You guys bust through yet?
No, not yet
All right.
today. We're waiting for Mama.
Awesome. Gonna have some fun today?
You bet we are.
Yeah.
Beautiful day.
Yes.
Lots
Yes,
of
it
Sherps.
is. Yeah. We're rolling out now.
Woohoo! Holy crap. So many Sherps.
There are so many Sherps out here. Holy crap.
Growing up in Cali, yeah, you know I love the weather. Limelight hit 'em and you know I handle pressure. I do what I want, so I'm never saying never. I get what I want, so they call me go-getter. Yeah, I know he does it good, but you know I do it better. So misunderstood, if she wanted then I let her. Everybody knows if I want her then I get her. She gave me that look, yeah, she knows she thinks I'm clever. I don't think I do it good, no, I think I do it great. They would do it if they could, they can't do it so they hate. Everybody wanna look, but nobody wanna play. Stealing eyes like a crook while I put it on display. I don't do it by the book, no, I do my own thing. That's why every single hook got 'em singing like me. And I ain't in any rush, cause I'm finally getting paid. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Hey. Hey, get your Sherp with the winch. We don't want Kevin to die here. Go, you got the winch, man. Hey, we got a unit coming on the winch here. He's got a 14,000.
Break off the bead or what?
I don't know, but he's taking all the water back.
Send her a little farther.
Holy shit.
Hold on, I gotta hook up power. Just crack this door.
Here.
This panel.
That's it. So now, does anybody have a measure? Yeah, good. Okay, we can get his winch on now.
This is gonna work.
Yeah, feeling good now.
Might want to stand over the side a little bit because that one's got that knot in it.
I will say, Josh, this is the first recovery I've ever done on a tug truck. Oh, there you go. Nice.
Better than the Green Hill. The crowd really grew.
Yeah.
Anyone got a hook? Besides the clevis?
I've got a rope one with a knot on the end that you can wrap around.
He needs it to hook the backside of a plate.
Think you're gonna be doing this today, did you, Hudson?
I didn't expect this. This is crazy. We're trying to compete with Matt's off-road recovery
Yeah,
here.
yeah, we need
Sherp
him
USA.
here. He needs to get a Sherp.
Make sure you get a little lower on the other side.
That's what sucks is, yeah, that's.
It's really tough.
We just need a helicopter.
It's a drone.
Yeah, let's get all the drones together. Oh yeah.
We can probably just pull him right out.
I think you'll pull them out. Stay hooked.
Why your back tire's right off.
I knew I heard it.
What do you think, Gary?
Well, I think it's the first time I've ever helped perform recovery on a tut truck in my life.
Maybe the first time a tow truck has had recovery.
I think it's the first time, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there's a first. There's a first for everything.
Yeah.
Someone's got to be the first to do it.
Hey,
Yeah.
I'm good with being a virgin.
I was a virgin once.
Hey, I'm just glad you didn't freaking flip, man. Over there, you were close.
I feel fine.
Yeah, you didn't look fine.
I wasn't gonna. I'm not. I'm like, if it's going down, I'm going down with it. I wasn't gonna let it go by itself.
Kevin, that's fine, but we need to get our unit first. And then you can go down.
No? We're not fixing that rib tonight. Oh no.
Holy.
There's the problem.
Yeah, there's the problem.
That we have Chuck. Chuck will like that. He told us to test him. Yep. We went thicker. That's why we had the dive team out here.
Man, you're in the t-shirt. Breaking a sweat.
I was gonna get wet, but we didn't have to. Alright, hammer that rim out. Let's go again.
I like the spirit, man. Perfect. Got you, Josh. I got you.
Yeah, thanks.
It's perfect in there.
Yeah,
It really is.
just not with me.
Yeah.
I don't fit perfect in anything anymore. Oh!
Must have broke a couple of trigger valves off the shot.
Oh, really? Yeah, dude, you really missed it. This is what the inside of a Sherp looks like after a crazy day of Sherping. Mud.
Fucking shot. Wow! You get shot? Yeah. Yeah, I got shot too, James. Hold on. Yeah! You got two people at once.
So thanks for watching this video, guys. Like I said, I wasn't planning on this being a video, but this was just too crazy to show. What an insane recovery mission we had to do. We got lucky. So that unit tipped. The back rear tire filled with water, and the Tut truck tipped. And we were so lucky that those two tires hit bottom. It only had to have been 5 feet of water in that spot. If he had tipped in a different spot, that truck would have kept going and he would have went under, and it would have been a rescue mission for Kevin as well. So we got very, very lucky. Thank God that we were able to hit bottom there. That Tut truck wasn't going to go all the way under. But man, huge shout out to everyone that showed up to Sherpaggedon. What an amazing turnout. Huge shout out to everyone that helped with the recovery. We had Ostacruiser, Sherp ET out there, Rich Rebuilds, and then just a bunch of amazing Sherp clients. Everyone really got together, hands on board, and everyone kind of helped getting that truck out and getting it back to the access. So if it wasn't for everyone there to be able to group up and get all the winches on, the straps on, and making sure Kevin's safe and get that machine out of there, things could have been a lot worse. So just huge thank you to everyone that came out, and huge thank you to all of you guys for watching. So I will have a full video coming out on the Titan utility truck very soon once we get our own machine, and we'll be playing and testing with them a lot. But since this video is going to be all over of that machine out there, I just want to give you a little bit of info about it. So it's 500 horsepower. They have drop-in 6.2 LS engines, 500 horsepower. They'll go 80 miles an hour. And as you can see, as long as you don't bend a wheel and have it fill up with water, they float. They're a lot different than a Sherp though. So they actually have axles, they have suspension, they have rear steer. They're basically a monster truck or even like a lifted rock bouncer, but with Sherp tires is kind of the easy explanation to them. It drives with a steering wheel, not with sticks, has an automatic transmission, and they are insane. So keep an eye out for a video coming out on that, hopefully very soon on the channel. We'll try not to sink it when we get it here. So he was actually testing those wheels. That wheel he has on there is getting them custom spun for the machine, and they were testing those wheels. So the final wheels they're gonna have are gonna be thicker. They've decided they needed that. So they're gonna be thicker, more stronger wheels. They're actually gonna have different tires too. They're getting their own tires poured, and they're gonna have kind of a more of an aggressive side tread, just kind of to give them their own look. But they are awesome machines, and I can't wait to really fully introduce you guys to them and push those machines to their limits, because it's gonna be a lot of fun. Make sure you check out the links in the description too. I'll link all the channels of the YouTubers that were out here today. Sherp ET, he's awesome. Rich Rebuilds, him and his crew were awesome. It was the first time we met. And then Ostacruiser and his wife, awesome people. Make sure you check out their links. They're probably gonna have videos coming out of, better videos than mine coming out of this event too, because they were here to film and really have their cameras on everything, and I was kind of there helping everybody and whipping out my phone when I could. Anyways guys, God bless. Thank you for watching today's video. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you next time. So we got a text from Mrs. Ostacruiser that the Sherp they left here, they left a jug of milk in the back. Oh yeah. Oh. Thanks. I'll hold on to it for you guys.